Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you how you can use NGL application. So let's start. To use this, first download NGL application from Play Store. Now open this application. Now, click on Get Questions and enter your Instagram username. Now click on Done. Now copy the link and click on Share. Now click on Next Step and then share on Instagram. Now click on Stickers. Now click on Link and paste your link. Now click on Done. Now place it over temporary link. Now click on your story to upload. Now to see question, you have to open NGL application and then click on Inbox. Here you will get to see the question asked by your followers. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.